Hello, we're having a light walking in the jungle. After that, we're going to have our lunch together. And yeah, the weather is awesome.
قنات هامون چند تا تخت سلیمان. احسن بر شما. تخت سلیمان. گنبد سلطانیه. گنبد سلطانیه. آفرین. یه دست به افتخارشون بزنین. دیگه
The thing here to travel with new people, it has some good things, positive things, and some negative things. Like you meet new people, they are really awesome. But on the other hand, you might not have that much time to just go and explore and take photos and everything, which was not a big deal for us today. And I kept having meditation for a week, and today I did it in the jungle, which really sensed my nerves. And so yeah, that was really cool. Our tour leader is such a great guy, and he also kept talking about all of these trees, which are really ancient, and they have maybe around 1,000,000 years, as you can see. And yeah, so it's really a miracle. When we are near to spring, I have nose running and I sneeze a lot, so I have to take some pills, and it makes me kind of sleepy. But the atmosphere here was like really great, and I'm not sleepy anymore. I really want to stay, but we are hungry as well. And
as always.
No, not as always.
I'm tired of you.
Sometimes. But anyhow, we're going back to where we camp, and we're going to have a lunch all together.
I just put my foot on a puddle, and all of my shoes get nasty, unfortunately. And I'm really upset about that because it's wet now, and I don't have spare shoes or socks.
It's getting foggy here and cold, but not that much cold. We're enjoying it. Hey!
دوغ و نوشابه هم تقسیم کنیم.
دو تا دوغ، دو تا نوشابه، دو تا دوغ. آره. دوستان بریم نیمه نهایی. قدسی‌ها دقیقا وسط دیگه. راست بالا. راست پایین، چپ بالا. دو دست بالا. دو دست پشت گوش. غیر بدین. دست بزنین. دو دست پایین. دو دست بالا. چپ پایین، راست بالا. غیر بدین. دست بزنین. دوباره غیر بدین. همچنان غیر بدین. بردار.
After having a tea and bamia, we are ready to go back to our home, and our trip is just finished kinda. And today was really magical. We really enjoyed it.
We really had a good time
Yeah.
today.
Gonna